Welcome back to the trenches with the agricultural group. We've talked about this group many times. It was a group that held above most of its moving averages. We also said in the morning call that in the spring through the summer, this group likes to run, and we've started with some of the leaders here. First one I want to talk about is POT. If you take a look at potash, you will see that this stock has had a nice move. We talked about buying it above 55, then it cleared this descending channel, and now it continues to be on its way back to these old highs. I don't like an entry here, but as long as it stays above this 57.5, I think you could own potash. And if you're in there already, I think you just hold, and at some point, this one will be one of the first few to make new highs. Now, Mosaic, I think there is a better setup right now. It hasn't been leading this group, but it broke its downtrend and it's holding above it. I think there is an entry here. So if you take a look at Mosaic, you will see that this stock, obviously in the bottom end of the range, it's above some moving averages, but still lagging. I like a nice tight pattern here. Okay, this was one entry. Now it's hovering below this 70 area. If this gets above 70, I think for cash flow, you buy above 70 and it has a room back to about 75. I like this one. As far as Monsanto we've talked about a few times with Alex. This one was near the highs. It was upgraded by Goldman Sachs a day or so back. It's above one of the pivots. If you're in there, I think you could hold it. I don't see that much momentum yet, but it's clearing this 75, 76 area. If it were to get above this recent high of just say 76, 79, you could see an explosive move. And then if that's the case, you're going to start seeing some more commitment to some of the others, because if one of these things can make new highs and actually hold it and constructively do well and have follow through, some attention will go to the others. As far as CF had an early move. It was leading the group. As of now, CF still is on the radar. It's trying to get above this recent high. We talked about entries around 150. It's now on its way. I wouldn't add up here, but I would just let this go. This still is in the game, to be a leader of this group. So as far as the agriculture stocks, they're a little sloppy to trade, but they've been a decent investment and hold over the course of the past 3 or 4 weeks. Make sure you have some proper entries if you're going to get involved with them. At this